Question 7. A batch of bottles were packed in 25 boxes with 12 bottles in each box. If the same batch is packed using 20 bottles in each box, how many boxes would be filled? This question says that batch of bottles are packed in 25 boxes and each box contains 12 bottles. So 12 bottles in each box. If the same batch is packed using 20 bottles, so instead of 12 bottles, each box will contain 20 bottles. So what will be the number of boxes now? So as the number of bottles has increased in each box, so basically the number of boxes will decrease. So one value is increasing, that is number of bottles in each box is increasing, so number of boxes will decrease. So it is inversely proportional to each other. Inversely proportional to each other. So one value is number of bottles in box, that I am taking as X, and number of boxes let us take as Y. So here X, that is 12, number of bottles in box will be X1, and here number of boxes will be Y1, and 20 number of bottles will be there in one box, that will be X2, and Y2, that is number of boxes will be Y2, which we have to find out, and we have to use the inversely proportional formula. The values are inversely proportional. Let's take the formula as X1 Y1 equal to X2 Y2. What is X1 here? X1 is 12 multiplied by Y1 is 25, that is equal to X2 is 20, and Y2 we have to find out. Therefore Y2 will be equal to 12 multiplied by 25 divided by 20. 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, and 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. So Y2 will be, what is Y2? That is number of boxes we have to find if each box will contain 20 number of bottles. So 15 boxes are made when 20 bottles are kept in one box. Question 8. A factory requires 42 machines to produce a given number of articles in 63 days. How many machines would be required to produce the same number of articles in 54 days? So some amount of number of articles are there which the factory produces. By 42 machines it takes 63 days. Here number of days has been decreased, 54 days. So how many machines will it require? Here we have to find out how many machines will be required if the number of days has been decreased. As the number of days is decreased, so basically the factory will require more machines to complete that particular amount of articles. So here one amount is increasing, the other will decrease, that is number of machines will increase here when the number of days is decreasing. Here number of machines I am taking it as X and number of days as Y. These are the two values, and if 42 machines are there, the work gets complete in 63 number of days. So this will be X1, this will be Y1. We have to find the number of machines required if the same amount of article gets completed in number of days is 54 days. This will be X2 and this will be Y2, and X2 we have to find out. So as one amount is increasing, other is decreasing, so it is indirectly proportional to each other, inversely proportional. It is inversely proportional. So what is our formula for inversely proportional? That is X1 Y1 equal to X2 Y2. Here X1 is 42 multiplied by Y1 is 63 equal to X2 we have to find out, multiply by 54. Therefore X2 will be equal to 42 multiplied by 63 divided by 54. 5 plus 4 is 9 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So this will get divided by 9. 9 7s are 63, 9 6s are 54, and 6 7s are 42. So x2 will be 7 multiplied by 7, that is 49. number of machines. So for the same amount of number of articles to be completed, it takes 49 number of machines